lately they've been catching us and using us for sacrifices.
Sacrifices? To what?
A long time ago, they started worshipping some witch. They say she lives under the ocean, and if they don't make the sacrifices, she'll destroy this island.
Well, someone should have told them that orcs don't scare that easily. Now, let's get out of here. Let's get on with it. Double. Look, Naros! Rakar watching. I am. Yes. Double. Yes. Yes. For the Horde! Your time has come. No regard. For Doom Hammer! Look, Naros! For honor. Look, regard, no God. None will survive.
Thanks, man.
Let's get
I
on.
thought I'd be dead for sure.
Look, Naros! For Doom Hammer! Look, Naros! For honor. I am the Watcher. None will survive. For Doom Hammer! Double. Yes. Double. Yes. None will survive. Look, Naros! For Doom Hammer! Double. Double.
This is our chance. Let's make a break for it. Keep fighting, men. We're almost there.
Double. Yes. None will survive. Look, Naros! No regard. Your time what you want? Let's get on. For Doom Hammer! None will survive. Yes. Double. Yes. Double. Your time has come. For Doom Hammer! Yes. Look, Naros! For Doom Hammer! I knew you'd find us watching. For honor. Yes. For Doomhammer! Master, Lomrigar. What do you want? I am your time has come. Dumb. None will survive. Your time has come. We're under attack! For Doomhammer! Yes, Dabu.
These humans must have put up a fight. Too bad it wasn't enough.
For honor. Dabu. For honor. Yes. Dabu. For honor. Dabu. For honor. None will survive. Your time has come. Look, Naros! Let's get on with it. Dabu. I am the War Chief. Yes. Your time has come. Let's get on. I am the War Chief. Look, Naros! Power to the Horde! Yes, Lord Chief. None will survive. For honor. Yes. We're under attack! Your time has come. For Doomhammer! The spirits are restless. For honor. I am. Let's get on. I am Dabu.
Hey, Chief Man. It looked like there'd be a passageway here. Maybe we find a way out.
Let's see if we can break through these boulders. Let's get on.
Come just in time.
Look, regard. For honor, yes. For honor, yes. For honor, none will survive. Yes. survive. The spirits are restless. For Doomhammer! Yes. Look, Daruk! Dabu. Yes. For honor. Dabu. Yes. For honor. Yes. For honor. Yes. For honor. Yes. We're under attack! None will survive. For honor. Dub. For honor. Yes. For honor. No regard. How can I help? Right away. Feel the ground tremble. A wise plan. I am the War Chief. Dub. Yes, War Chief. Regard. Look, Naros! None will survive. I am the War Chief. Let's go. No regard. I am Dabu. For honor. Yes. For honor. For honor. Your time has come. Master? Look, regard. Yes. Dabu. Dabu. Yes. For honor. Dabu. Yes. Look, Naruk! Yes. I believe we are no longer welcome in this place, watching. Yes? Let's get on. War Chief, Sen'Jin was just taken away by the fish creatures. I tried to stop them, but there were too many. They said he is to be sacrificed to their witch.
Then we have no time to lose. Sen'Jin must be freed.
War Chief, I sense a protective shield around the sorcerer. I believe these 3 fish creatures are helping maintain it.
Pathetic fools. They will not stop us from receiving what has been promised. Sen'Jin, don't despair. He'll soon be joining you.
No regard.
What do you
I am the spirits. Perhaps you and the witch can discuss it in the afterlife. I am.
The vision told me you would lead my people off this island. You don't have much time, young one. Go.
But you and your people are coming with us.
It be too late. I'm already gone.
Those of you who wish to follow me will face many dangers. It will not be easy. But if you wish to join us, you are welcome.
Yeah, man. Pretty soon there'll be nothing left here anyway. We come with you.
Make peace with your gods, land dwellers. You cannot escape the currents of death so easily.
Where is that voice coming from?
I don't know, but we have no time to waste. This cave is about to collapse.